Why are there not more people talking about pigeon feathers? Let's expose the hidden health risks today. A recent case study from Delhi has revealed a shocking health risk. A young boy developed severe allergic reactions after prolonged exposure to pigeon feathers and droppings. The symptoms were so severe, they were potentially life-threatening. Pigeon droppings and feathers can carry harmful allergens and pathogens. Long-term contact can lead to respiratory issues, skin rashes, and even severe allergic reactions. So, what can you do? Always clean areas where pigeons frequent, cover open windows, and wear protective gear if you have to handle pigeon droppings. Stay vigilant, health enthusiasts. Your well-being might just depend on it. Don't let these hidden dangers take you by